Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to unpair your Fire Stick remote. Whether you're upgrading to a new remote or troubleshooting a connection, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Scene 1. Why unpair a Fire Stick remote? First things first, why would you want to unpair your Fire Stick remote? Here are a few reasons. You're switching to a new remote. Your current remote isn't responding correctly. You're troubleshooting multiple paired devices. Unpairing is a quick and easy way to reset your remote connection and start fresh. Scene 2. Step-by-step guide to unpairing. Now let's go through the steps to unpair your Fire Stick remote. There are two methods depending on your situation. Step 1. Using Fire Stick settings. Start by going to the Fire Stick home screen. Navigate to settings. It's the gear icon on the right. Select controllers and Bluetooth devices. Choose Amazon Fire TV remotes. Here, you'll see a list of paired remotes. Select the remote you want to unpair and press the menu button 3 horizontal lines on your current remote. Confirm the unpairing, and that's it. Step 2. Factory. Reset your remote for when you can't access the Fire Stick. If you can't access the settings or need a quick reset, hold down the home button, back button, and the left navigation button on the remote all at once. Keep holding for about 15 seconds. Release the buttons and your remote should be unpaired from the Fire Stick. Scene. Repairing your remote. Optional. If you're planning to use the same remote again, don't worry. Repairing is simple. Just hold down the home button for 10 seconds near the Fire Stick and it will reconnect automatically. Scene 4. Troubleshooting tips. Here are a few quick troubleshooting tips in case you run into issues. Replace the batteries in your remote. Restart your Fire Stick by unplugging it for a few seconds. Make sure no other paired devices are interfering. Conclusion. And that's how you unpair your Fire Stick remote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!